Let's solve this question. In a group of 60 old people, 50 wear glasses and 40 are bald. Find the minimum and maximum number of people in the group who neither wear glasses nor are bald. Right? So it is given that there are total of 60 people, and out of which people who wear glasses are 50 and people who are bald are 40. Right? So I have to find the minimum and maximum number of people in the group who neither wear glasses nor are bald. So we will solve this question using the Venn diagram. Right? So there is a group of people. This set of people who wear glasses. So these are the people who wear glasses, and it is given as these are 50 people, right? And there is a group which is bald. 40 people are there. 40 people are there. So I am making them here. These are group of bald people. The number of bald people are 40. Now, if these two groups are separate, total number of people would be 50 plus 40, 90, but which is not true. Total number of people is 60. So there must be some overlap. Between these two groups. So that total number of people cannot be more than 60. Right? Now, this is the important bit. Find the minimum and the maximum number of people that are outside these two regions. This is asked who are neither wear glasses. So people not wearing glasses are outside this region, outside this set, and people who are not bald are outside this set. So I have to find I have to maximize or minimize that value. Right? So first of all, to minimize this number, if I take this set as universal set, and total people are 60 in this, and I need people outside these two sets as the minimum. So I need people inside these two sets as maximum. So can I assume that these 60 people fall into these two categories only, that they are either wear glasses or they are bald. So let's just try to fit these two sets. So I can have something like, I am erasing this part, or I am drawing it here. If I have some overlap between these two regions, such that there is no person outside the two sets. These are people wearing glasses, these are people which are bald. Total is 60. I am accommodating this total 60 in these two groups only. Right? So I am assuming that the minimum number of people outside is 0. So can I accommodate these 60 people here? Yes, very easily. How? There are 50 people who wear glasses and there are 40 people who are bald. And I need the total number of people as 60. If I add these two values, how many people are there? Total 90 are there, but people can only be 60. So 30 are extra. Or these 30 people has to fall in this range. It means these 30 people are wearing glasses and they are bald. So if I assume the intersection of these two sets, as 30, if this is 30, people wearing glasses were 50, so people wearing only glasses would be 20. So this set is 50, and people who are bald are 40. If these are the people who are bald, the value of this area is 30. So people left who are only bald would be 10. So I can accommodate all these 60 people in this union. So the minimum value of number of people outside these two regions can be 0. Minimum value would be 0 because all 60 people can have both these can fall into these categories. For that we need 30 minimum people for which are both which wear glasses and which are bald. Right now I need to, so the minimum value of people outside this region is 0. Now I need to find the maximum number of people in the group who neither wear glasses nor are bald. Now I have to find the maximum value. If I have to find the maximum value, I need this union as small as possible. I need to fit these two sets within each other, right? So that I can have this value as maximum. So now my sets would be like this Venn diagram would be like I need to fit in one set within the other set. So I can have all these 40 people inside this. So it will look like something like this. These are people wearing glasses and they are 50. I can have all these people who are bald inside this set. These are people who are bald and these are 40 people. So 40 people are there which are bald as well as wearing glasses. So 40 people which are wearing glasses and they are bald. 10 people are there outside this region. These 10 people are only wearing glasses. Right? So all these 50 people can be accommodated there. How many people are left? Total number of people is 60. 10 people must be outside this set. So the maximum number of people that can be outside these two sets is 10. So the correct answer to this question would be option A, 0, 10. Minimum value is 0 and maximum value is 10.